Oh, hi. Hello. If you don't know me, my name is Mayla and I make cleaning videos. So haha, welcome to a cleaning video. And this is a part 2 because I need to finish cleaning the pantry, the freezer in here, and the fridge and freezer in the garage. And since you're here to watch me, I guess I kind of have to do it. But if I could at least get the doors of the pantry clean, I would be happy. You know when you're in the midst of cleaning things and you're over it? That's me. That's why this is a part 2. Hope you enjoy.
it's great to be alive and love. Good, good, good morning, sun. Good, good, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good, good. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good, good. Good morning, sun.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, don't pay no. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but give, man, don't pay on you. Trailer for sailoring. Rules to let. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give, man, to me, by no means. Give the road. King of the road.
You press me to your a world where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem turning into love songs. You press me to your a world